I'm curious. I just did my makeup and I was thinking, I wonder if this is going to last. And if this is what my makeup looked like at the end of the day, and I wanted to go out for dinner and have it look a little bit more polished because the foundation that I have on right now is more like a tinted moisturizer, what would I do? What would I pack to boost this up a little bit for an evening out? So I'm going to play and I hope you stick with me. If you're new here, my name is Julie. I'm 54 years old and I like to play and experiment. I'm using the Merit Complexion Stick. I think that's the one I want to use. And I have the color Bisque. I use this when I'm self-tanned. If I'm not self-tanned, I believe I'm linen. I just self-tanned my skin and you'll be able to see that in the mistakes on my hand. Forgive me. I'm trying out a new self-tanner and I like it. I like the way it fades. It actually fades really nice compared to the other one that I use, but I'm having an issue with it grabbing in some spots. It's also a little bit of a different tone that I'm used to, so I'm still trying to figure it out. Anyway, that's not what this is about. Off track again. I'm gonna take the Merit stick and I'm going to take it down like that, give myself a little bit of more coverage there. Now it has a skin-like finish. That's why I chose it. I also am choosing this because it's really easy to pack. So if I were out, say I had to go to work or something, and I just needed something to touch up, this isn't gonna spill in my purse. You know what? I'm gonna use the Nikki LaRose brush. I really like the shape of this. It is a N19. I like the shape because I can chisel a little bit if I want, but I can also blend. Is this the right color? Is this Bisque? Yep, that's Bisque. Feels a little bit light. I don't want to cover up much of my blush, so I'm being very cautious here with my finger and taking it down. So my finger doesn't have any foundation on it. That's why it makes more sense to me to try using my finger. Down my nose. This is where it would wear off the fastest, is in the center. Also, my foundation wears off here the fastest because I touch my face a lot. That's the only reason, especially if I'm tired. Let's not forget this area. I don't know if I would normally have to touch up this close, but the lip balm that I used, it felt like it went outside the lines a little bit just because I didn't have a lip liner on. So the application wasn't as strategic as I normally would have applied it. Did that polish it up a little bit better? Not better, it's not worse or better, just a little bit more refined maybe. And you know what? It doesn't matter. There's no right or wrong because maybe you really like freckles there. That's just what I did, is covered up some of my freckles. Sometimes I'm in the mood for them and sometimes I'm not. That's all. It's a mood. I feel like that did it. Maybe just a little bit here. Again, just playing. How are we gonna know if we don't play? If you like makeup and you really want to learn, just sit down and play. Sometimes it will work out and sometimes it won't, and that's okay. Now there's really nothing left on my brush, so I'm feeling a bit more free to go around this area. What do we think? Yeah, I feel just a little bit more refined, a little bit more polished to go out. So that would be my choice. I would love that to be gone. I wonder if I mix a little bit of foundation, bronzer, and blush, if that would camouflage it. It's my nemesis. What if I used some of this mixed with this? Let's try it out. So I have the Estee Lauder Futurist foundation and it's liquidy and it's a little bit darker. So I'm hoping that that will cover that area. But if I add a little bit of blush, then maybe between the two of them, it will work out. It may not work. Did it work? Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go on this side too, even though I have nothing to cover there, but they have to match. A little bit more blush on this side maybe. Did I do it? I think it's better. This is where airbrush would really come in handy. Because if I had this covered, my hyperpigmentation covered underneath, and then I airbrushed over it and didn't have to touch it with a brush, it would just sit on top and mesh. Perfection is not as important as just like the blend. I think I did it. I think I did a good job. It's better than it was, right? I'm happy. I feel like that looks better. Now I'm just playing with lights. Is that less distracting when it's a little bit whiter, clearer back there? Is the blush fighting against the backdrop? Maybe, eh? Again, let me know. I love your help. I set this with powder, a little bit of powder there, little bit of setting spray. That's what I always forget on myself. I almost need a new one of these. It's getting down to the bottom. Hey, the Sephora savings event is happening soon. I just got this in the mail. Do you have anything on your list? I feel like that looks better. A little bit more polished. Both were good. Let me know what you think. Would you bother doing that? Did you like it before? Do you see the difference? Let me know in the comments. I hope this helps and I will see you later. Bye.